Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing the project tracker, which is the heart and soul of NFTY Dash. It gives you basically an overview of what's going on with every single project that you wish to track in your own dashboard. So basically, here's the search function where here you search for the projects within your list of projects that you are tracking. This doesn't search for all the projects available in the platform. If you wish to search all projects that are not part of your tracking sheet, or sorry, tracking section, you go to all projects. And if you check the previous videos, the previous video that I created, it shows you what you can do here. So now going back to my personal dashboard, for example, for the demo, this is basically the data that you will actually see. And we kind of put as much detail as we believe will be beneficial to you. But again, if there's any field that you believe we have missed that will actually bring value, don't hesitate to let us know because we can add it in no time. So basically here, the way it works is the following. So here's the project name. Here is whether you're whitelisted, did you join Discord, did you get the role on Discord, what's the status of your wallet that you submitted, is it a direct to contract, did you submit it but it wasn't confirmed, was it submitted and confirmed by the community, because you know how it is, sometimes they open a ticket, they open a channel for you to submit your wallet, and then you gotta wait whether it was confirmed or not. So this will serve as your reminder of the status of your wallet submission. The pre-sale dates and time, the public date and time, the wallet collection from the announcements of the communities, the price, and the reason why there's a drop-down menu, because sometimes the price of the pre-sale is different than the public sale. And between parentheses, for you guys to know, this is how many mints you're able to do per wallet per stage. The links of the projects, you click, it takes you to it. We'll talk about the bell in a bit. You have the reminder to add to your calendar. Right now we have Outlook. We also have Gmail, but unfortunately Gmail is currently displaying a warning message because we're still waiting for the final approval from Google. But technically it's already there. And then you have this button, which is what basically Nifty is all about, to send you reminders via WhatsApp and email right as soon as the pre-sale and the public date happens. We'll discuss more about this in the next video because this is linked to your profile, which is very important to set up. And then here you have the actions. The actions allows you to modify every single field that I just showed you in the NFT tracker. Now, you're able to sort via pre-sale, via descending, ascending, public sale, ascending, descending, the name of the project, ascending, descending, and via currency of ETH or SOL. Keep in mind that here, when you actually sort in any of using any of the options, it sorts all the projects that you're tracking across all the pages. But on top of that, you're able to actually sort via just clicking on the header tab. These ones sorts the project that you have on display on this page itself and not everything. So keep in mind when you actually try to sort. And here is basically the area where you can just search your projects that you're tracking. It will show you, and you can continue with everything I've talked about. So that's an overview of the project tracker. The next video would be how to track a new project and how to add one to your project, to your tracking sheet in case it's available or it's not available.